Welcome everybody to another installment of Crypto Moose. And the Moose is going to be picking up some MELD. That's what the Moose is doing. So before we get started, again, Mitchell Bouchard here, your crypto and NFT investor. Same thing, they're all tokens, except, most cryptos are just fungible assets. So if you check out our online courses, links in the description below, use coupon code MOOSESLOOSE, get 80% off. You will enjoy that. So today we are going to be picking up some MELD because MELD is dirt cheap. It is a lending and borrowing protocol that everybody should be checking out, to say the least. So the goal of this video is to have a bit of fun. I'm going to show you, not in terms of a tutorial to the extent that we're going to be creating a wallet, but if you haven't created a NAMI wallet yet, what you're going to do is you're going to go to NAMI. That's going to be namiwallet.io. Download that Chrome extension tool if you're using Brave. Perfect. I need to transition over there myself. But what you're going to do is set up a wallet and load up your NAMI so you can hit receive and load up Cardano to that wallet. Once you have Cardano, you're going to go to Minswap, launch the app, okay? That is minswap.org. And then you're going to connect your wallet. So we're going to redo that. I just did a video showing you how to trade for Kopi. So again, you're going to connect your wallet. Look at all these options you have. So you have Yoroi. Trezor is coming soon. That I'm excited about. And then it looks like they have their own wallet as well. So you're going to click on NAMI and then it will connect your wallet. Okay. So there you go. Mine's been connected. So you could also swap through your accounts. So as you can see here, I've got a bit of ADA and we're going to be picking up some more MELD because clearly I need more. And MELD is cheap. So what you're going to do is go to trade. And then this is where the magic happens. Let's zoom in. You are going to put in how much you want to trade. First, we could also even just go to MELD. So what you can do instead is, let's say, hey, how much is 500 MELD? It's going to be $8. So pretty good ratio there. So what can we get for the balance that we have? So if we were to go click on our balance, we could pick up 5,000 MELD. I don't need that much. I also want to keep some MELD for future other episodes. So what we're going to do is let's see what 1,000 would get us. So 1,000 is only 50. Let's just do that. Let's pick up 1,000 MELD. So it's going to be $17. So there is going to be a cost to this. So you're welcome. Okay, you're welcome. I'm risking everything. So if we were to confirm this, it will be set at most $50. So if we go to confirm, we are going to be hit with a fee. So I think that's what, 4 ADA. So maybe I'll just buy more, especially if it's going to cost us that much. Yeah. So what we're going to do, just because it's going to cost us a bit, let's do 100 ADA. Okay, so it'll give us almost 2,000 just because I'm going to pay for it anyways. So there's going to be a deposit and then there's going to be a batcher fee. So I think we're pretty much paying 2.3 ADA, I believe. So there you go. That's what you're going to do. So I think it's going to be like a 2 ADA hold. So effectively it's going to cost us what? Less than $1 to do that. So it's not too bad. So now our order is going through. We don't have to be zoomed in that much. So you can see that we're queuing. This is happening a lot faster than what Kopi was doing. I assume MELD just has more liquidity on the DEX. So again, we're using a decentralized exchange. We don't have to use a middleman. So it already took out my MELD or my ADA. So it's using that to make the trade. So the way this is happening is that with the DEX, people, even like me, I'm supplying liquidity as a investor. You can supply liquidity to the DEX And then it uses that DEX for people that want to trade like what we're doing right now. So that's the idea of a DEX. And this is all happening in a decentralized fashion. So whereas you would have a bank, which is a centralized place where, with the bank, you give them fiat, you give them money, they take that money, and then they loan it out. They give out, you have mortgages, and then the bank makes all the money. But now we make all the money. That's the idea of this channel, okay? That's the title of this video. Watch me buy MELD. Watch me be a savage, right? So that's what we're doing. We're gonna hit refresh there, and yeah, we're gonna do this in real time. So we have 1,500 MELD. We should be seeing what, almost 4,000 MELD by the end of this. So 3,500, 3,600. So that's really cool. So also, if you don't know what MELD is, might as well fit that into this episode. So we're at 6 minutes right now. If we go to the website, MELD, this is a MELD is the first DeFi non-custodial banking protocol. You can securely lend and borrow both crypto and fiat currencies. And I did a video. It will be coming out this week. If it's not already out, go to Crypto Moose YouTube. You will see it on the homepage under videos. And I already went through the testnet. So I was one of the early testnet people, you could say. So I got the nice code. So anyways, this is just completed. So if we go to our wallet now, boom, we've got more MELD. So we now have 3,470 MELD. So that is how you pick up MELD. And I hope you enjoyed this one. I want to keep this short and sweet, under 8 minutes for sure. So comment down below if you'd like to learn how to trade for other crypto assets. Comment, subscribe. In the link in the description below, I have Udemy courses. So I have online courses. I have a beginner level NFT course, beginner level passive income course, and a beginner level 10-day cryptocurrency challenge. And I'm also working on masterclass, working on a lot of things for you all. So that's all I have for you. Hope you enjoyed it. Not financial advice, but pick up some MELD. That's what I'm doing.